Jason, so where are you, man?
Today we're at a shooting range with my boy Lukasz.
There you go. Oh, hi.
Hi. Where are we? What town are we in today?
What?
What city are we in?
We are near the center of the Poland. The city is called Aleksandrów-Łódzki.
Ah, well, you heard it from him. It's very rare to actually get the opportunity to go shooting in Poland because it's very hard to get guns.
Yep.
And when my good friend told me to go shooting, I said yes. So today we're going to be shooting a variety of 9mm rounds, and we have a AR-15 that we're going to be shooting first, and then later on we're going to be moving on to more fun stuff.
Yep.
A lot more fun.
Yep.
All right.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, zatrzymam. Czekaj.
Good. What kind of gun are we shooting today?
9mm. Hi. It's a 9mm Kanik.
9mm Kanik. It's a Turkish gun.
Yeah, it's Turkish. That's right. Here, it's a sport version called Rival.
Very cool looking. Now I must warn you, it's been about 4 years since I shot anything, so I might be a little rusty.
Okay. 4 years?
About 4 years.
Oh my god, man. So take your time. Don't hurry. The safety first, right?
Safety first.
Yeah. Everybody's waiting for you. Okay. So you're ready, man?
Ready.
Ready. We're gonna see how
well 4 years has been.
Okay.
Here it comes.
Okay, 9mm. Here we go.
Huh.
It's not bad.
Not too bad.
Not bad. Not too bad.
I thought I'd be doing terrible. I got one right there.
Some got away, but it's not bad.
Mostly.
Yeah.
Okay, your turn.
My turn? Okay. So 10 meters. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna do 10. Okay.
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 Oh, going to battle.
Yep. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, baby. Let's do this. Quick round.
Moment of truth.
Quick round. Not bad. 110. Look.
Oh, not bad.
Not bad. For a quick round.
Not bad at all.
Ah, okay.
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 All right. So
That was
now,
9mm, right?
huh?
That was the 9mm.
Yes, 9mm handgun. Now we're switching to a 9mm Kel-Tec. What's the model?
Sub 2000.
Sub 2000.
How can I pause it?
Huh?
I can pause it.
Yeah, just hit stop.
Okay. That's it.
That's
Yeah,
it.
man. That's a 20 meters.
All right.
How many feet is it? I don't know. So it's 9mm. And it's not kicking so hard. It's difficult that way.
Huh?
It's more difficult.
Yeah,
that way.
more tactical.
Yeah. Right. You're ready. Yep, you're empty.
Yep.
Now, only 3?
No,
Four?
no, there's a problem with the.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
maybe I
yeah.
didn't use this for a long time, so maybe the sight is accurate. So okay, let me check.
But they're 3 decent shots.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
All right.
Not in the what part of the body we don't.
I mean, they'll still live, but you know.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, your turn. All right.
Are you ready?
Let's see if it's the sights.
Without the sight. Like MP5. Empty.
Out of 10 rounds.
But you see, the
Uh-huh.
same place.
Yeah.
The same place. So the sights, I was aiming here, and
Yeah.
whole area is here. So we have to the sights
higher.
are yeah, aim higher.
See, I was aiming in the same spot.
Yeah.
All right.
So you have to aim somewhere here to get in the middle.
All right. So it's not my sighting.
Nope.
Okay. Now we know.
Oh, hello.
Shoot this, and now we're gonna shoot. Ah. Okay.
Ja za wysoko. No znajdziesz go to. Nie. No.
Nothing's wrong. You're right.
See?
Yeah. The bullet. Oh, you see? There was a bullet.
It's right there.
Yeah, it's laying there. One more time. Ah, it's broken.
Strzeliłeś? Okej, pierwszy chyba tutaj poszedł, drugi.
Empty. But
Wygląda, że
we are not sure. Empty.
Trwali, nie?
Right.
Here comes.
Celuj odrobinę wyżej. To jest 15 metrów, on jest
You know what the
rozstrzelony na
funny
20.
part is?
What?
I was aiming here. I wasn't aiming here. I was aiming somewhere here. So I don't know what with this those sights are. They adjust?
Maybe.
I don't know.
See?
Okay. So gonna leave here and go to the big boy.
Yep. Now we're gonna switch over to the AR-15.
Show them the mag.
Okay. Here in Poland, there's no restrictions on 30-round mags.
Nope.
None. You could have as many as you want,
Yes.
and you will not get in trouble. You could have 10-round mags, you could have 5-round mags, you could have 1,000-round mags, drum mags, and you won't get in trouble. All right.
Whoa.
Definitely not.
Okay. Yes, now it is. Hello. Jason, what do you have in your hand?
I have a 223 5.56 round. Now
The
we're
other
loading
hand.
in the 30-round mag.
What a nice looking mag.
And we're going to be shooting at 25 yards. Meters, sorry.
Meters.
25
yeah.
meters.
It's like that. Over there. Okay. So, how many bullets do you gonna put in?
30.
Come on. Really? No? Okay. Yeah. So, we'll be right back.
Ktoś wymienił baterię.
You're not going easy today.
No. Ten magazynek łatwiej się ładuje, bo z góry normalnie. Ja strzelę pierwsze 3 do 4. Zobaczę, czy jest dobrze wystrzelony. Czyli podpinamy, tak? Dźwignia. Okay, tu jest zrzut magazynka. Komora jest pusta, ale tu
I was aiming for the head, but the one is intentional to the right.
Oh, okay.
The green one was yours.
Yep. Much better.
Much better.
Now we're going to switch over to iron sights on the AR. A little more challenging.
Jason. Come on, man. You can do it. Iron sights.
Iron sights.
Fire in hole. Very nice. I forgot to tell you, here we have a camera. Also. Yeah, it's okay.
Chamber clear.
Yep. I saw when you were shooting. I forgot about it.
I just noticed that's a camera. Let's see how I did.
Nice.
1 out of 3.
No, the 3 all in one place.
Really?
Yeah.
No shit. That's pretty good.
Man, that's damn good, boy.
Wow. All right.
Let's go to the 50. Or one handgun.
Handgun.
Handgun. Okay.
All right. So now we just switch ranges, and I'm gonna actually get to fire a fully automatic Uzi 9mm. In the words of Arnold Schwarzenegger, Uzi 9mm.
Yeah.
I've never fired a fully automatic weapon before, and I'm extremely excited to. I've always wanted to, but you can't do that in the States because fully auto weapons are highly illegal because they are a class 3 weapon, and it's a felony to actually possess anything in a machine gun form. Look at that. But in Poland, it's a different story.
It's Poland. It's a different
It's Poland.
Okay.
Okay, time to load up.
I mean, you're gonna show them in States how the real boys will
Yes.
do in Poland.
Okay,
Okay.
here we go.
Come on.
So that's recording
Oh
already.
yeah. Okay, I saw it.
And this is...
Safety.
Tak?
Okay.
Głęboko.
All the way. Okay.
All right, that one.
Great. Now. Pojedynczy jest?
Okay.
Wait.
Czy odbezpieczył?
Nie odbezpieczył. Okay, now it's pojedynczy?
Powinno być.
Okay, let's try it. We don't know what is it. Nope.
Ładuj.
Reload. I don't see the chamber if... Chyba nie weszło.
chwyt ma nie złapany
Nie,
dobrze.
nie złapał. Show the gun to the gentleman. Wait. Okay.
Okej.
Finger of the trigger.
It's not on the trigger.
Okay. It was not on the trigger?
No.
It's a good gun. Dobry
Very
pistolet, kurwa, by nie miał palca na spuście, rozumiesz? Okay. That was your 20. How are you feeling? To było twoje 20.
Ja pierdolę.
No
Dobra,
czekaj.
spróbuj jeszcze raz.
One more time, try.
All right.
Don't be scared. Come on. It's good Polish gun.
Very good.
No, nothing.
Try.
Nie.
Not reloading. Wait.
Wait. Puść.
Let go.
My hand was on the safety,
Dobra.
and then it
Yeah.
was
Jest
just.
na ciągły teraz.
Jest na ciągły. It's on full auto. I think it's good. Myślę, że jest ok. Dobra. One more time. Remember to put your hand very, yeah, that Back trigger is okay, really. When you're ready.
That was fun.
Okay. It's okay. Release the mag, you know how?
No.
Okay. Jak spuścić magazynek? Okay.
Okej.
Now yes, it's empty, and warning shot, I mean the shot, clearance shot. Clear.
Super.
The Uzi was fun as hell. I don't know why my face is all black. Poor lighting, I guess.
Poor lightning. Wait, maybe this will help.
Ah, much better. Well, I don't know if you guys noticed, but in the Uzi video, the Uzi actually malfunctioned.
Yeah.
And it was firing by itself.
Yes.
But I was able to control it.
It was a very dangerous situation.
Mm-hmm.
We are laughing now, but the situation was... Even the guy next to us that helped us with the gun was like sweating.
Yep. Yep. But hey, nothing I can't handle. Nothing we can't handle.
Yep.
We have moved now to a bigger boy range. The 50 meter. And that is far as hell. And we're going to use the AR-15.
We have a running scope here with the magnification to 5 times.
Let's see how well I do.
It goes nice. Little bit to the right. Again to the... it was almost in the middle.
Really?
Yeah. All your shots go into the black, almost in the center. Very nice.
Thank you. Out.
Very nice shooting. Look.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
That is great shooting, because the scope, like I told you, is set for 50 meters.
It's not the scope, it's all me.
Yeah, I mean, your eyes are set for 50
The
meters.
scope did, dude. I did that.
Yeah, yeah.
Your turn.
My turn?
Your turn. But
My headset is off. I don't have no longer active hearing,
oh,
so I hear you poorly.
do you want me to get you the other ones?
No, those are not active also. I didn't charge anything, you know. I don't have. Okay.
Now, don't do that.
No?
Your challenge.
Ah, it's yours. Okay.
No. Your challenge, you gotta hit the bottom.
You challenge me to hit this?
Hit the bottom. 50 meters, hit the bottom.
Okay. 50 meters, hit the bottom. Where's my smokes? Fucking shit.
Ah, I told you it's the mag. These 10 round mags are not good.
I don't know. It's in.
My tunes are clear?
Clear?
Clear. Let's see how you did.
Let's see it. I think I fire 5 or 6 to the left and 3 or 4 to the right. Not bad.
Not bad. Well, you weren't aiming for that target. I
Yeah.
don't know what happened there.
The scope.
Yeah, it was the scope this time. The scope did that. Not bad.
Not bad. This one
That
looks
one is
better.
pretty impressive. I'm not gonna lie.
It's in the middle.
Oh,
it's in the
look at that
middle.
bullseye right
Bullseye
there.
there.
And I wasn't even trying. So one thing I forgot to mention to you guys. One of the things that is very strict in Poland is there's a certain type of license that you have while in a range. I don't know if you guys saw earlier or heard the booth next to us was getting training lessons from an instructor, and they need to have that. My old friend Lukasz, we don't need to have permission like that because he has a special license where he doesn't need to be watched. We could just come in and go shooting on our own.
Yeah.
And we don't need to be, I guess, if you want to call it babysitting, it's babysitting, more or less. Because you need a special license to do what we do, go walk around from range to range. That's a very strict stipulation here in Poland. In the
It's
United
for safety only.
Yeah. In the United States, that's a different story. And I just wanted to tell you guys that. Didn't really work out. Because the recoil busted the shit out of it.
Yeah.
And that's a 9mm recoil.
Something went wrong.
Yeah, next time.
Yeah.
But not bad. What a fun day. We are signing off.
Peace out.
Make sure to like and subscribe, and you can share it if you want to. Coming from you live. Well, not live. Coming from you from Poland.
Yep.
See y'all later.
See you later.
After a long day at the range,
Yes.
it's time for an amazing lunch.
You made it yourself.
Look at a monster burger. I don't even know how to do that.